Now, are you into health at all? Or
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Now, we have some guests coming up that I think you're really going to like. We have Dr. Rhoda Alale and Nick Peronace that are going to be talking to us. Come on out.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We're excited to learn all about how you're going to keep us healthier. Thank you for joining us.
I hear you guys have a great product. I'm excited to hear all about it.
Well, we're excited to share. We've embarked on a very interesting campaign throughout the United States to inform people about electrical safety. And so this gentleman here is the CEO of Nevvus World, and he has done some amazing things. I met him about 7 years ago with a product that I used to reduce electromagnetic radiation in my home. The electrical system, the walls behind the bed had become so high that they became like taser guns.
Wow.
So they sickened everyone in my family.
Oh my
I had a stroke, developed breast cancer. My teenage son developed a brain injury his last year of high school. So it was very devastating for our family. He ended up in the hospital for almost a year, and it was life-changing because I've been a registered nurse for 35 years, but nothing in my nursing was directing me to the environment. I found his fabulous product, and he's probably the best to share with you about it.
Well, thank you for having us here. It's a great pleasure. We're here to basically start teaching the world about the effects of EMF, electromagnetic fields. And Dr. Alale, an incredible angel that wants to alleviate diseases and sicknesses and pain throughout the world, we're here to basically announce this incredible campaign, to be behind her, to take her mission and teach, empower about the bad effects of EMF, but at the same time that our product is a simple solution to start alleviating pain and suffering around the world. And I'm glad that you guys get us. This is the first sort of media event we have to kick off this thing around the world. So we're very proud and honored to be here with you guys.
So how do I know if my home is making me sick?
Right.
What's
That
the
is an
indicator?
excellent question. The way you know is, first of all, you start having that morning chronic fatigue. When you wake up in the morning, you're more fatigued than you were when you went to sleep at night. You can develop rashes. You can develop the sustained depression or sustained aggression, where you're just angry when you wake up, angry through the day, angry at the end of the day. And you just have a sense of being out of your body. It's like you're not comfortable. You can't get to zero stress. And those are the things that happen with us. I started waking up in the middle of the night. My heart was racing real fast. I developed sleep apnea, rapid heart rate, lung, sustained chronic bronchitis, gastric reflux. And my son just became really overboard with emotional, sustained aggression.
But how did you connect that to the electricity in your walls, you said?
That's an excellent question. I ended up being going for taking us all to the doctor. The doctor did a brain scan on my son. The instrument that they did was so fantastic, it sent me to a medical conference. I was fascinated to learn. I met a doctor from Russia who asked me one question: do you have ants in your house? She said, if ants only infest houses that are too toxic to live in, if you have ants in your house, you should immediately get an engineer. I was blessed to be close to a military base. I contacted a nuclear engineer who sent a team of a medical doctor and a health physicist to evaluate my house, and was totally blown away.
Wow.
He said, Dr. Alale, safe levels should be below 60, because that's where you're actually below 50, but your electrical system is engineered to be 60 hertz. Yours is 1,503. Your house is a giant taser gun.
Wow.
It's an assault weapon. It's why your family is sick. And he immediately picked up the phone and called Texas, introduced me to this fabulous product that this gentleman has.
We got to find out about this
I
product. We got
know.
to see this product.
yeah,
Let's
let's
check
see
out this product.
We're going to just hook up some technologies here. Here's a Nevvus machine that measures in Nevvus units. And basically, this machine references how high the electrical interference is. This machine says basically that if you're over 100, you need to remediate your line.
So you simply plug
Yes,
this.
absolutely.
Okay, so we're going
And
to
so
look
you
right
plug
here.
this in and you count to 10 seconds, you know, and by the end of 10 seconds, you want to read the lowest number and the highest number. So it's been about 10 seconds now. So we see the lowest number is about 176. The highest number is about 186. And so with these numbers, we know that your electrical radiation is high in your electrical system. So we simply put in the power guard.
Yeah, why don't you just plug it in and see how simple
And
it is to use?
I call it
here.
the first line of response.
Okay.
If you have
Turn it on.
electrical radiation,
Turn it on.
turn on the button,
Okay.
count
Oh,
1,
it's going down.
2,
Oh, wow.
3, 4.
Whoa.
So by the time we got to 3 seconds,
That's amazing.
we had reduced the assault to a level. Now this is what is so incredible
Wow.
about this. Gretchen,
Yes.
do you mind if I test you?
Okay, I'm a little scared, but
I
okay.
don't have to-
I'm not going
all
to
I want you
electrocute
do-
it, right?
I don't want you to get
You won't.
electrocuted. I just want you to take your hand and place it here.
Okay.
You're not even going to touch anything. And can I have this hand?
Yes.
We're going to do a simple test called the bidigital O-ring test
Okay.
to show what happens from the electrical currents. You're going to take your thumb and your ring finger and put it together. This is a test of Dr. O'Meara at Columbia University. He's a medical doctor who has shown that this test is just as accurate as an MRI or a CAT scan. Well, here we go. I'm going to make rings and you resist. 1, 2, 3. Woo, come on, all your strength. 1, 2, 3. And you can resist.
Okay.
But at first you lost your strength.
Right.
You see that? Now hold it down closer. 1, 2, 3, and you lose your strength.
Weird.
And you're not even touching anything, just from the
Right.
electrical field. But when we turn this is from 186. When we turn it on and we bring it down to 19, 17, now hold. I'm going to give you a little bit more pressure. 1, 2, 3. You're rock solid. You're able to hold
weird.
against that.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
That's really
That is.
weird.
So this technology, people have to understand the wall behind your bed can turn your bedroom into a giant taser gun because your box picks up that radiation, your box springs, and it will energize your bed with this, and people are losing the uptake of oxygen and becoming imbalanced.
Interesting.
And so this technology, even though it was engineered to save you 10% on your electric system, it is phenomenal for reducing the assault in your house and helping you to sustain health. And that's our campaign.
amazing.
That's our mission. That's what we're excited about. And that's why we're on this show today.
Wow.
So now, can you explain a little bit more? So, when someone gets one of these, does it come with a test, or is the test separate? Do you go around and test all the outlets in your house?
Yes,
How does that
our
work?
company manufactures all of the above products, but yes, the number one thing you can do for a family is basically educate yourself, and by a simple tester by going in and plugging in to see the high points of the radiation in the wall is the first sort of the first step to making sure that your house is safe. And then obviously we have these products available on our website, and you can actually
So
purchase this.
do you put one of these in each room? Would you recommend, or how does that work?
No, that is the amazing technological advances of this product. You only possibly need up to a maximum of 2 per household.
Okay.
Oh,
So
wow.
and you're not talking thousands of dollars investment. It's basically we've kept it real so that we want to start bringing the message to the world, and
Right.
we've made it affordable to all families around the world.
Right. That's
Now,
wonderful.
is there a recommendation to put it in a location where there's a lot of computers or a lot of appliances,
Does that
or just
matter?
wherever you're seeing a high read?
Well, Dr. Alale recommends that obviously the bedroom is the most important aspect,
yeah.
as we have our heads to the back of the wall, and behind the wall there's electric wires that emit radiation. And the second product you were to put in the highest readout in the home. So the
Wow.
bedroom and wherever you have the highest readout in the house.
That's amazing. Now, when you got this product, did you notice over time that you were feeling better?
Not even over time. It was almost instantly. For my
Really?
son and people that have any type of brain injury or brain imbalance, it's almost an instant response. For me, though, I had become so hypersensitive to electricity, I couldn't touch anything without being burnt, my fingers tingling, or the breast that developed breast cancer aching. So I had to develop a nanotechnology called a harmonizer. And for me, I wasn't able to put my hand anywhere near this thing without being hypersensitive to it. And so I had to develop a device because I needed to use the cell phone and I needed to be able to use my laptop, and I was typing with pencils. This is a biobalancer. This is amazing for cell phone use. And so I would like to test you again.
Okay, let's do it. I'm
Okay,
ready.
we know you're balanced, so we're going to have you hold the
Okay.
phone in your left hand.
Okay.
And this is the gold medal winner for the United States. I'm the first registered nurse ever to win a gold medal at the IMPEX
Wow.
engineering competition, which is the oldest, most prestigious competition in engineering in North America, actually the world now.
Congratulations.
And thank you.
That's
It was a
wonderful.
44-nation competition. We won the gold for the United States in environmental innovation for engineering, because
exciting.
this was developed as an electrical safety device. So you've been holding that phone, so let's see what it's doing to you. Fingers together, 1, 2, 3, and it disassociates or creates an imbalance. So we put this nanotechnology on you, and on the phone instantly, on contact, fingers together, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna give you a little bit more pressure, and you are rock solid with sustaining your balance.
So wild.
And yes, isn't it wild?
That's wild.
And the reason why the cell phone is now classified as a cancer-causing agent is because the World Health Organization has documented, medical researchers are documenting that cell phones cause imbalances. They cause you to decrease in oxygen uptake. And anything that causes you to decrease in oxygen uptake can cause cancer.
That's scary.
And so for me,
scary.
as a registered nurse, having taken an oath to do no harm, what has happened in my family has been a leap of health and a leap of faith. And my hairdresser, I actually started wearing this thing. I found out one day when I was in the car, I forgot my pain medication for the breast that had breast cancer. And I said, you know, I'm not going to be able to make the trip. I need to turn around and go get my pain medication. I was in so much pain that I reached in my laptop, pulled out this technology, stuck it over the area that was hurting. Instantly the pain stopped. And I'm like, you've got to be kidding me.
It's amazing.
So after suffering with 8.5 months with breast cancer and unbelievable pain, my breast healed in 3.5 weeks from wearing it on my body. So I went to this gentleman and I harassed him for 7 years. I gave him no peace. He's like, oh, Dr. Alale, I don't want to go into health. I just want to stay in engineering and save people 10% on their electric bill. I said, but we have something that has sustainable human energy. This thing is reducing the assault of electricity. I'm winning with this product. My son is now out of the hospital. We couldn't get him balanced until he was 22 and a half years old. But in between these two technologies, in 4 years, I want you to know my son got his diploma from high school at 22 and a half years old, and he's doing amazing now. We have little girls with seizures that never spoke a word. Their families didn't know they were hypersensitive to electricity in the home. And we put this technology in, and instantly, instead of having 10 to 15 seizures a day, they might have 2 to 3 in the course of a week that lasts for seconds. And so we have technology that reduces the assault of electricity in the home, that helps you to maintain balance. We're not making any medical claims. We're not saying it's going to fix this or fix that. It's not going to treat. It's not going to cure. It's not going to prevent. But this is what we know. Electricity is like invisible fire. It can burn you from the inside out. And if we look at it as fire, when a fireman goes to put out a fire, he does two things. One, he puts on his bioharmonized suit, which is what the harmonic is. The second thing he does is get his extinguisher out and lower the fire, which is what this power guard is.
Put it on me everywhere.
And literally, I mean, I know you're gesturing, but people are doing this. They're saying, like, you know, we have one of the most prestigious and distinguished people of the American Nurses Association.
Well, you sound very impassioned about what you're doing, and that's such a wonderful thing that you're doing to help so many people. And it sounds like there's a double whammy here, where literally you can help with electricity bills as well as help save people's, you know, imbalances and everything that's going on. I think that's such a wonderful thing that you guys are doing.
Now, where can we get it?
Yeah.
Is there a website we can go to?
Yes, you can go to nevvusworld.com and we can direct you accordingly, yes.
Okay, nevvusworld.com. I want everyone who's watching this to go to nevvusworld.com and check this out. This is amazing. I've never even heard of this before. But thank you so much for sharing your story. It's
Thank
incredible.
you for having us on and giving us the opportunity.
And this, on behalf of Nevvus World, you're the first one to get it here in Tampa. And Robin, we have another one for you backstage.
Thank you. Wow.
Actually, it's funny that you just handed this to me because my significant other, his son has brain cancer. So the first person I was thinking about with this was, I want to get this into his home. So thank you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us. Thank you very much.
Have to have you back sometime. We could
Thank you.
talk about this for a
keep
long
that on
time.
my body. Thank you, guys.
I'm glad your family's feeling better too.
Oh, thank
Glad
you.
you found the solution.
And you're fantastic on Housewives of Orange County.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Gretchen. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you,
to meet
Liv.
you.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Isn't that incredible? Yeah, this is amazing.
I'm not kidding.
I mean, who would've
I
thought?
really feel like I should like keep this
I
on every part of
know.
my body right now.
Yeah.
Right?
You know, I